Welcome to DJH Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's a 116D Sport, finishing molar red with absolutely unblemished diamond cut alloy wheels. The Sport upgrade. You can see it's in lovely condition. It's a facelift model, rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf, 5 doors. It's got the lovely sport interior with the red stitch piping, electric windows, electric mirrors, big spec this. Just start the car up. Starts up lovely. It's only done 385 miles. It's got satellite navigation, reverse park distance control, air conditioning, cruise control, different driving style modes, 6-speed gearbox, full iDrive. Really is been looked after. Piano gloss black finish. It's great value for money. At DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.